And of course, I'm the only one that's up. The children have their own room. I text them. They haven't responded. Marcus is still asleep. So I just came out to give you guys some balcony water views. It's really hot out here, so I'm about to go back in the room. Alright, we'll check in with you guys later.
Alright, as you can see, we are all up. Dee and I in our Melanie SC t-shirts. This is our first time actually wearing them. The kids back there dressed and pressed for a change. We're about to head to Emerald's. Give me some of that shrimp and grits. Meeting a few family members. And we're gonna get into some good stuff today, guys. And it's going to be on and popping. Alright.
I forgot my mama had her eye message on.
All right, we are walking up to Emerald's right now.
Yeah, you should have bought a drink.
All right, we are at Emerald's. Just had our breakfast. I'm gonna let the kids, Mason first, give a review.
I think it was okay.
And tell the truth. What you like or didn't like. This is letting people know.
I like the beignets. The beignets is good.
And you got the po' board, correct? Yeah. How do you feel about that?
It was okay. It was just, I didn't like how the eggs were prepared, so.
All right, so what you giving it out of 10?
6.
6. What about the beignets?
8.
Okay.
Actually, 9. Beignets are really good.
Oh, for real? Yeah, they doing that for real. Makai?
It was very mid. It was okay. It was mid. And the beignets were okay. But this is the only thing I liked at 8.
So what out of 10, what you giving?
5.
All right, here we go. Some hard cookies right here, bro.
So I got the shrimp and grits, and this is my second time having it. I had it on Mardi Gras and now on Celebration. I feel like it was better on Mardi Gras. I don't know, it's just something a little off about it on here. I give it a 7 out of 10.
And as for me, I got the shrimp and grits, and I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. I don't know if it because of it was our first time on Mardi Gras and first time tasting it, if that why we were like, oh my gosh. But we'll be on Mardi Gras again, and we will definitely let you guys know. But I am like Dee Dee, I feel like it was just a little bit more seasoned. Maybe they put some more salt and pepper in it than they did on this one. But I'm gonna still give it an 8 out of 10. It was still really good. It just wasn't the best I had like when we were on Mardi Gras.
Oh, wait.
No.
I got a white mocha, and it's actually pretty good.
All right, everyone, we are on deck 6. We just came from Emerald's, and now we're walking around the ship. I guess this would be a kind of a mini tour because we got to show the kids where the stuff is. We're on the with all the shops. As you can see, deck 6. Excuse me. I'll probably go in there and check some stuff out before the end of the cruise. Alright, also on deck 6 is center stage. They are setting it up right now. They got the Lorraine people doing their thing, all the people practicing. Back there is a bar. That's where we like to sit to watch the show. We got a coffee place where you get your coffee and stuff. All right, also on deck 6 is the bar we were at yesterday. I can't think of the name of it. What's the name of this bar?
Golden Jubilee.
The Golden Jubilee, which is
So this is
Equivalent to Brass
Brass
Magnolia.
Magnolia on Mardi Gras. It was pretty good. It had some good different kind of drinks in there. I had the June bug. It was actually really good. I enjoyed it a lot. Of course, there's cherry on top, which is a little bigger. And this is actually how the coffee looks.
Can I have a mimosa with pineapple juice? Sure.
We're on that. That's
There's the
Hey,
sushi,
sushi over
over
there.
there. Sushi and
center
teppanyaki.
stage. This is Pixels right here. And this is all on deck 8. I do like the layout. Now, you guys will probably remember this from the last vlog, but this is 820. Had the bar 820, Cucina del Capitano, Miami Slice, Deco Deli, and Rudy's Seafood. So that's Cucina down there. That's bar 820, which has the inside and the outside. The outside is where the smokers can smoke on the ship. And then we have Miami Slice, which is the pizza place. We have the deli right down past it. All right, here's Rudy's. That's the Sea Grill seafood. Guest services, which is a lot of people in that line. Now we are coming to Summer's Landing, where you have the Carnival store. You have guys. You have the sports bar with the ice cream.
And it's a bunch of different flavors.
Is it closed right
I
now?
think it might be.
Heroes?
But
Yeah, it's
they got
closed.
Strawberry.
Chocolate, military kind of service. It's closed now.
Huh?
You have a phone.
There's your bar, Flavortown, Guy's Bar. All right, this is the back. Going out to the patio. There's a couple of pools back here, place to lounge. All right, now we've got on the elevators and we're going to Tide's Pool. Tide's Pool in the back. Guys is to the right.
Oh, yeah. Not guys.
I mean,
Shack.
Shack, Big Chicken is to the right. Plenty of places to eat. Lido Marketplace,
That's the buffet.
buffet. Basically, if you go out this way, you'll lead to the Lido deck. Yeah. All right, we're going into Lido. Is everything up in here? Probably gonna be a pretty busy place. This is where the buffet is. So if anybody knows, Lido deck is where you have all the buffet things, different stations. I'm not gonna go through all of those. They are to the right. And now that we're down at Lido, we are on the Lido deck. There's the bar, Red Frog. There's one upstairs and one downstairs. And everybody's out on sea day. What's up there? Lee is telling us about different things. We are still on the deck, chilling. It is beautiful out here. The wind's blowing, music playing, and beautiful day today. People are out. They start out for line dancing with number one thing. What's this big cute stuff?
If you don't know the picture shovel, just
I think I'm
follow
gonna do
Leo.
and Audra over there doing a little dancing. The Cupid shuffle.
Okay, because that ain't how I learned it on TikTok. Because you're supposed to do like this. Turn with it. Turn with it. Hit it.
I'm by myself. I have been on the deck the whole time and dancing. I'll put that in there. I am sweating. But I'm about to get me my adult arcade on. Dee Dee stayed up there at the deck party. So let's go in here. Talk to y'all later. All right, we just now got us some Shaq's Big Chicken. It's good just like last time. I give it a 9 out of 10 for me. What do you think about Shaq's Big Chicken?
For starters, really unique design of fries. Like how they're very thin but really long, kind of like crinkle fries, but pretty much a really good design. They're big solid, really good tasting, but a little too much barbecue for me. And the Shaq sauce, I give it a 9 out of 10 for me.
Okay.
So I got chicken strips this time, and they're really hot, like temperature hot, which is good. They're really good. I love their fries, and then I also got the Shaq sauce because they were at a barbecue range. Oh, I give it a 9 out of 10.
All right. This is a little time travel thing, guys.
Now arriving 150 million years ago.
No, that's talk like a parrot. These parrots are not.
All right, we come back to the room, and I guess that's a dog. Tile animal number 2. All right, everybody, we are ready for shebang. Heading out, ready to meet the family and the friends. About to pick the kids up and go eat one of our favorite restaurants on these type of ships. How you doing?
I be looking like. I'm pretty sure it's a video. It's a video? Oh!
Oh, it's another one on the other side. Wait. Alright, we are leaving Jermaine. We're about to figure it out. Oh my word. This is what happens when you're drinking. We're on the way to the bar. Oh my word.
Dance. Hey, hey,
Remember the cause you and the sorrow.
Alright guys, it's been one of those days, but that's how it is when you have family and friends with you. So I think it's gonna be the end of the vlog. We're about to hang for as long as we can. Just chill with everybody. But tomorrow we'll be at Amber Cove. I don't know if we're getting off or not, so we shall see. But you know, stay tuned. We will definitely bring you some more vlogs. Peace.
Zero.